Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Flinks. Does Flinks support open banking standards? The straightforward answer is yes. Flinks actively supports and provides solutions compliant with open banking standards, especially in the Canadian market where it is a leading player. Flinks does this in several key ways. First, they offer an open banking API solution, often called Outbound, which allows financial institutions to launch their own secure data sharing capabilities. This moves the industry beyond older methods like screen scraping and aligns with the principles of open banking. Second, their technology supports OAuth connections, open authorization, which is a secure protocol. This means customers can securely grant or revoke access to their financial data without needing to share their banking login credentials with third-party apps, placing the control of data directly with the consumer, a core tenet of open banking. Third, Flinks provides a consent management portal. This portal is fully customizable for financial institutions and ensures that customers can view, manage, and revoke their consent for data sharing at any time, which is fundamental to consumer-driven banking. Finally, Flinks' platform is designed for future-proof compliance and security, adapting to evolving regulatory requirements in North America, particularly as Canada moves towards a legislated open banking framework. In summary, Flinks is positioned as a key enabler for open banking, providing the secure API connections, OAuth authorization, and consent management tools required for financial institutions to meet and benefit from these modern data sharing standards. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.